Hey everybody, I wanted to do an update on all the tinkering that I've done on my 2003 Chevy Corvette 50th Anniversary Edition. Initially I had a radiator leak at the very top of the seam over there because the original radiator aluminum had a plastic piece where the seam split. So I bought this new ECP aluminum radiator, which is probably twice as thick as the standard radiator, so much more cooling room. And then I replaced the original fans with the DeWitts fans. You know, pricey but really nice. I really love them. The ECP radiator though, because I have a 2003, I have the automatic and the transmission cooling lines, which there's two of them. One up here, as you can see, the top hose. Actually, I take it back, the bottom hose with the gold piece. I had to have that gold piece custom made from the machine shop because, as you can see, the M18, it's an M18 male from the transmission and cooling lines, so I needed two of them. So I had to have a machine shop create that brass fitting, as you can see there, to screw into the radiator. So I went from metric 18 into, I believe, like a 3/8. Don't quote me on that part of it, but got it to work, no leaks, runs great, fans kick in well, cooling stays nice. As you can see, that little, I nubbed that thing off. That was the throttle body bypass. I don't need to have my throttle body heating up because I'm in California and it doesn't really get too cold here to worry about freezing. I had P0171 and 0174 error codes, fuel banks, and determined that I needed to run a smoke test to see where I had a vacuum leak. Determined that it was coming out the back of the engine through back there by the intake, and I changed the whole PCV hose system. It was kind of a pain in the butt because really there's not a lot of room to kind of get your hands back in there. I ended up cutting the original in a couple spots to kind of pull it out and make it easier. Obviously I took the valve covers off, but yeah, I got that changed, reset the codes, ran a test, check engine stayed off, those codes went away because I wasn't able to pass smog with those two codes, so I needed that done. Passed the smog finally. Car runs great, stays so cool. I also changed the air intake, mass airflow sensor. You know, I've done a lot of little tinkering things here and there to really, you know, make this thing run well, keep the check engine and the air codes off. If you guys have any issues, I mean, I've done so much work to this car, from brakes, custom tires and lettering, lowered the car on the original suspension, changed out the stereo system, put a Pioneer touchscreen in there with a big 10-inch JBL sub, or excuse me, not JBL, that was, this one's a JL audio sub. Put a Borla exhaust on it. So this car right now, you know, as a whole is running and looks great. So as you can see, I got the Borlas down there. Car is beautiful. So yeah, if you guys have any issues or questions, please let me know, because you know, I definitely know this car now, I believe, inside and out, and I've come a long way tinkering with this thing to get it running well. Sounds mean, been running clean and staying cool. C5 Corvettes, Girl Dad MBD, Coconutty.